Hi children, good morning. Saturday I conducted one ST. I hope you are all wrote that exam well. If anybody did not do some problems, I'll give you key for that one. Here slip test contained 15 problems. In that 15 problems, the first one is solve 5 minus 4x less than x minus 10. And x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Replacement set is given. From that replacement set only we need to find the solution. For the given inequality, we shall come across three types of solutions. The first one is the given inequation has infinitely many solutions. Otherwise, the given inequation has finite solutions. And sometimes, for the given inequality, you won't get any solution set, that is null set, pi. If you observe the first one, the given equation is 5 minus 4x less than x minus 10 they give. Like simple linear equation only, we have to solve this one with the help of transposition or 4 inequality laws we have, or rules. Here 5 minus 10 becomes plus 10, minus 4x becomes plus 4x. Here 5 plus 10, 15 less than x plus 4x, 5x. Here send this 5 here, it becomes a divisor. Here 3 times 3 less than x is nothing but x greater than 3. From the given replacement set, x greater than 3. Therefore, the solution set equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Option 1. Option 1. Next, second problem. Solve 30 minus 4 into 2x minus 1 less than 30. Another inequality where x belongs to z minus mean negative integers in the replacement set. From the replacement set only we have to choose. Here the given equation is 30 minus 4 into 2x minus 1 less than 30. Here 30 minus 4 gives 8x minus into minus plus 4 less than 30. Here 30 plus 4, 34 minus 8x less than 30. Here minus 8x less than 30 minus 34 plus becomes minus 30. So minus 8x less than minus sign, inequation sign ours. So x greater than 1 by 2. X greater than 1 by 2. Here the replacement set is x is z minus. From the negative integers only we have to choose the solution set. Here what is the solution set? X greater than 1 by 2. There is no negative number greater than 1 by 2 in our solution set. So obviously the solution set is pi or null set. Solution set is pi or null set. We here 30 minus 4 into 2x minus 1 less than 30 they gave. 4 to 8x minus 1 minus plus 4, 30 plus 4, 34 minus 8x less than 30, minus 8x less than minus 4, then x greater than minus 4 by minus 8, that is 1 by 2. Here the replacement set is negative integers, that's why no negative integer is greater than 1 by 2. Obviously our solution is null set. Next, third question. Third is, which of the following denotes the set of all positive integers? All positive integers denotes with z plus. All negative integers z minus. Third one is. Okay, positive integers z plus or n also we can say. Z plus or n. Here n is not given, that's why z plus. Next, fourth one, minus a less than minus b is said as, if you multiply minus a by minus 1, inequality sign alters. Then it changes into a greater than b. Actually minus 2 is less than minus 1. If it is multiplied with a negative number, 2 obviously greater than 1. Next, fifth one. A less than b, c less than 0b, c is negative. Both are same. Fourth and fifth questions are same. Okay, a less than b, if c is negative, then if you multiply c both sides of the equation, AC greater than BC. A by C also greater than B by C. If you add or subtract, there is no change. If you multiply or divide, inequality sign alters. Rule 3 I said. Inequality rule 3. Next, sixth one, 3x minus y equal to 10, 5x plus 2y equal to 24, 5x plus 2y equal to 24. Your wish. Let 3x minus y equal to 10 be first equation, and the 5x plus 2y equal to 24 be the second equation. From first equation, 3x minus y equal to 10, 3x equal to y plus 10, x equal to y plus 10 by 3. Third, substitute x equal to y plus 10 by 3 in second equation. Here x equal to y plus 10 by 3 we got after simplification of first equation. Now we need to substitute in second. Here 5x plus 2y equal to 24 we have 5 into y plus 10 by 3 plus 2y equal to 24. Here 5 into y plus 10 plus 3 into 2y by 3 equal to 24. Here 5y plus 50 plus 6y equal to 3 into 24. Here 11y equal to 72 minus 50. 11y equal to 22. Y equal to 2. If you substitute y equal to 2 in third equation, then x equal to y plus 10 by 3. Here y means 2. 2 plus 10 by 3. 12 by 3 means 4. So the required solution is 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2 is the required solution. X minus y equal to 10, 5x plus 2 equal to 24. First and second equations. From first equation x equal to y plus 10 by 3. This result we need to substitute in second equation. Then we got the value of y as 2. After getting the value of y 2, we need to substitute in third equation for getting x. X equal to y plus 10 by 3 mean 12 plus 2 plus 10 by 3, 12 by 3 means 4. So the solution is 4 comma 2. Solution is 4 comma 2. Next. Seventh one, 3x plus 5y equal to 3, 4x plus 3y equal to 15. Solve this system. Let 3x plus 5y equal to 3 be the first equation. 4x plus 3y equal to 15 be the second equation. Now I will use elimination method. Here coefficients are different, 3 and 4, 5 and 3. So equation 1 multiplied by 4. Here it becomes a 4 into 3x plus 5y equal to 3 into 4. Then 12x plus 20y equal to 12. Third equation. Next, equation 2 multiplied by 3. 3 into 4x plus 3y equal to 3 into 15. 12x plus 9y equal to 45. This will be the fourth. From third and fourth, 12x plus 20y equal to 12. Here 12x plus 9y equal to 45. If you subtract 12x can cancel. Here 20 minus 9 equal to 11. Here 45 minus 12 equal to 33 minus. Here y equal to minus 33 by 11 means minus 3. Y equal to minus 3, substitute in 1 or 2. If you substitute in 1, 3x plus 5 into minus 3 equal to 3. 3x minus 15 equal to 3. 3x equal to 18. X equal to 6. Here the solution is xy equal to 6 comma minus 3. 6 comma minus 3. The given system of linear equations, simultaneous linear equation, 3x plus 5y equal to 3, 4x plus 3y equal to 15. Here 3x plus 5y equal to 3 is the first equation, 4x plus 3y equal to 15 is the second equation. For getting equal values of x, first equation multiplied by 4, second equation multiplied by 3. Then we will get 12x plus 20y equal to 12x plus 9y equal to 45. If subtract the resultant equations, 12x can cancel, 20 minus 9 equal to 11x, 12 minus 45 equal to minus 33, then we will get the value of y as minus 3. If you substitute the value of y in first or second equation, we will get the value of x as 6. So the solution is 6 comma minus 3. Next 8th problem. The sum of two numbers is 40 and their difference is 6. Find the numbers. For this one, let the numbers be x and y. Therefore, sum of x and y is 40 and the difference of numbers is 60. See the first equation and this is the second equation. Here x plus y equal to 40 and x minus y equal to 6. If you add y and minus y, you cancel x plus x, 2x, 40 plus 6, 46. And x equal to 46 by 2, 23. Now x plus y equal to 40 and x minus y equal to 60. If you subtract x get cancelled. Now y plus y equal to 2y, 40 minus 6 equal to 34 and y equal to 34 by 2, 70. The required numbers are 23 and 17. If you add 23 and 17, you will get 40 as the sum. If you subtract 23 and 17, means 17 from 23, you will get 6 as the difference. 6 as the difference. Next 9th one. Solve 8 by x minus 5 by y equal to 34. 3 by x minus 12 by y equal to 13 they give. Here taking 1 by x equal to p and 1 by y equal to q. Then first equation becomes 8p minus 5q equal to 13. Now, first equation multiplied with 2, you get 8 to 16p minus 5 to 10q, 34 into 2, 68. Then equation 2 multiplied by 5, here 5 is 15p minus 5 to 10q, then 13, 5 is 16. If you subtract the resultant equations, here 10q, 10q get cancelled. 16p minus 15p equal to p. 63 minus 65 equal to 3. Now substitute the value of p equal to 3 in first equation. Here 8 into 3 minus 5 into q equal to 34. Here 24 minus 5q equal to 24. Here minus 5q equal to 34 minus 24. Minus 5q equal to 10. Q equal to 10 by minus 5, that is minus 2. Therefore, x comma y, 1 by x equal to p, 1 by p equal to x. So, p is 3. Required answer is 1 by 3. Q is minus 2, but the required y is minus 1 by 2. Most important. Eight by x minus 5 by y equal to 34. 3 by x minus 12 by y equal to 13. They give. Taking 1 by x and 1 by as b and q, then the equations becomes 8b minus 5q equal to 34, 3b minus 2q equal to 13. If you want to equal q, first equation be multiplied with 2, second equation multiplied with 5. Then here minus 10q minus 10q with same signs, that's why we need to subtract. So 16b minus 15b equal to p, p value 3. After getting p, substitute in 1 or 2 in any equation. Then we will get q as minus 2. Already we have taken 1 by x as p and 1 by y as q. So p value 3 means 1 by x is 3, x is 1 by 3, y is minus 1 by 2. Tenth one. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator of a fraction, it becomes 4 by 5. If 1 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, it becomes 2 by 3. Find the fraction. First of all, let the fraction be x by y. Let the required fraction be x by y. First condition, 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. X plus 3 by y plus 3, then it becomes 4 by 5. If you cross multiply 5 into x plus 3 equal to 4 into y plus 3. So 5 into x plus 3, 5x plus 15, 4 into y plus 3, 4y plus 12. Here 5x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0 be the first equation. Next, if 1 is subtracted from numerator and denominator, here numerator is x. If 1 is subtracted from numerator as well as denominator, it becomes 2 by 3. Cross multiply. 3 into x minus 1 equal to 2 into y minus 1. So 3x minus 3 equal to 2y minus 2. Then 3x minus 2y equal to minus 1 equal to 0 be the second equation. Here 5x minus 4y plus 3, 3x minus 2y plus 1. If the equation 2 multiplied with 2, then it becomes 6x minus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. We have 5x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. If you subtract 4y get cancelled, 6x minus 5x equal to x minus 5 equal to 0, and x equal to 5. Now, x equal to 5, substitute in any one of the equation, either one first equation or second equation. If you substitute in second equation, 3 into 5 minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Here 15 minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. 14 equal to 2y, y equal to 7. The fraction is 5 by 7. The required fraction is 5 by 7. Now answer this one. 3 is added to both numerator and denominator of a fraction, it becomes 4 by 5. If 1 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, it becomes 2 by 3. Find the fraction. For getting fraction, let it be x by y. According to the first condition, 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, x plus 3 by y plus 3 equal to 4 by 5. After simplification by using cross multiplication, we will get the 5x minus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. If you subtract 1, then x minus 1 by y minus 1 equal to 2 by 3. After cross multiplication, we got to 3x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Here the y coefficient is 2 in second equation, 4 in first equation. That's why second equation multiplied with 2, then y coefficients be equal. So here 6x minus 5x equal to x, minus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 5. So x equal to 5. X equal to 5 need to be substituted in first or second equation for getting the value of y. Here after substitution, we got the value of y as 7. So the required fraction is x by y. Here x value is 5, y value is 7. That's why 5 by 7 is the required solution. 5 by 7 is the required solution. Now 11th question. The system of simultaneous equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here 3 conditions I give. Out of 3 conditions, 2 conditions I asked in the exam. Here are consistent, inconsistent. Consistent of 2 kinds. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. For the inconsistent, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Conditions for consistency and inconsistency are explained in detail. Here A1x plus B1y plus C1, A2x plus B2y plus C2 are 2 system of simultaneous linear equations. If they are consistent with unit solution, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If they are consistent with infinitely many solutions, then A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. If the given system of simultaneously equations are inconsistent with no solution, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. This one I gave in 11th and 12th questions. In 11th question, I asked consistent with unique solution in A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is the required solution. The 12th one, system of equations A1x plus B1y plus C2 equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. The system is inconsistent if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Here actually the consistent with the unique solution indicated by intersecting lines. They are intersecting at one point, that's why they have one solution. Infinitely many solutions means they are represented with coincidental lines. Coincidental lines. No solution means parallel lines. There is no point of intersection here. First, second, these two are consistent, inconsistent. Next, third one. Which of the following system of equations are consistent with infinitely many solutions? Infinitely many solution means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Here, six x plus 5y equal to 11. 9x plus 15 by 2y. 13th one, 6x plus 5y equal to 11. 9x plus 15 by 2y equal to 21. They gave first option. So here A1 equal to 6, A2 equal to 9, B1 equal to 5, B2 equal to 15 by 2. C1 equal to minus 11, C2 equal to minus 21. So, of the form A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0 plus C2 equal to 0. That's right. Here minus 21 minus 1. Here A1 by A2 equal to 6 by 9, 2 by 3. B1 by B2 equal to 15 by, 5 by 15 by 2. We 5 by 2 by 15, which means 2 by 3. Here C1 by C2 equal to minus 11 by minus 21, which means 11 by 22. In here, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2 means no solution. We require infinitely many solutions. That's why here A1 equal to minus 3, A2 equal to 9 by 2. A1 by A2 equal to minus 3 by 9 by 2, minus 3 to 2 by 9. Here 3 get cancelled, minus 2 by 3. Here B1 by B2 equal to 4 by minus 6. After simplification minus 2 by 3. Here C1 by C2 equal to here plus C1 form, that's minus 5. Here already plus C2 given 15 by 2. So minus 5 by 15 by 2. After simplification we got minus 2 by 3. Here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. That's why it has infinitely many solutions. Second one is the required answer. Third option, x plus y equal to 10 and x plus y equal to 15 they give. Mean A1 by A2 equal to 1, B1 by B2 equal to 1 for the third option. Third here x plus y equal to 10, x plus y equal to 15. Like this they give. Here A1 by A2 equal to 1, B1 by B2 equal to 1. Means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. Here 10 by 15 equal to 2 by 3 but not equal to C1 by C2. That's the third option also no solution. And the last option here x minus y equal to 3 and x plus y equal to 7 they give. Here A1 by A2 equal to 1, B1 by B2 equal to minus 1. So here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. That's unique solution. Consistent with the unique solution. That's why that is also the required answer. The required answer is second one. That is minus 3x plus 4y equal to 5. 9 by 2x minus 6y equal to plus 15 by 2 equal to 0 is the required answer. Putting on for what values of k will the following system of the equations equations are infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many mean a1 by d equal to b1 by d equal to c1 by c2. From the given equations, a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 4. Here a2 equal to k plus 2, b2 equal to 6, c2 equal to minus of 3k plus 2. So here a1 by a2 equal to 2 by k plus 2. b1 by b2 equal to 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Here c1 by c2 equal to minus 4 by minus 3k plus 2, mean 4 by 3k plus 2. If you equate the a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 they give. So here 2 by k plus 2 equal to 1 by 2. If you cross multiply 1 into k plus 2 equal to 2 into 2. K plus 2 equal to 4, k equal to 2. If you equate b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2 also, you will get the k value as 2. Okay. So k equal to 2 is the required solution. For the value of k, it has infinitely many solutions. But here the last problem is 37x plus 41y equal to 70, 41x plus 31y equal to 86. Let 37x plus 41 equal to 70 be the first equation. 41x plus 37y equal to 86 be the second equation. If you add first and second equations, this is useful for in this model. Mean coefficients are interchanged. X coefficient is y, y coefficient is x. Like this interchange means this process we may use. If you add first and second equation, we will get 37 plus 41, 78x plus 78y equal to 70 plus 86. 156. If you take 78 common, x plus y equal to 156. So x plus y equal to 156 by 78. Therefore, x plus y equal to 2. With the third equation. Now, if you subtract first and second equations, here you will get 37 minus 41 equal to minus 4x plus 4y equal to 70 minus 86 minus 16. If you take minus common, here x minus y equal to minus 16. So x minus y equal to minus 16 by minus 4, which means 4. So x minus y equal to 4 be the fourth equation. So x plus y equal to 2. If you add to x equal to 6, x equal to 3 we get. in second equation x plus y equal to 2. Here 3 plus y equal to 2. Three comma minus 1 is the required solution. 3 comma minus 1 is the required solution. Here that is 7x plus 41y equals 70, 41x plus 37y equals 86. Coefficients are interchanged, x coefficient y coefficient x in first and second equations. At this situation, we can use this one. Once we need to add the both given equations, once we need to subtract the both given equations. After adding, we will get x plus y equal to 2. After subtraction, we got x minus y equal to 4. Now we can easily solve x plus y equal to 2 and x minus y equal to 2 with the 3 and minus 1 as the solution. Otherwise, your substitution, elimination or cross multiplication, any one of the method you may use to get the value 3 and minus 1. Okay. Have a nice day.